Two-day cases, as already stated by the Honorable Health Minister, the total cases today we have 30 is DSF personal, and then 17 is civilian. 30 is DSF and 17 is civilian. Yeah, out of 17, 18 cases are from out of the 17, 8 are from the positive cases that we received today. 8 are from the wedding party.
Primary or the high risk contacts of the 2 positive cases that came out from the wedding party. So out of the wedding party, as you're aware, there were 2 cases that came out positive. We have done extensive contact tracing of the individuals from these 2 primary, the 2 were tested positive. And out of the primary contacts and the highest contacts of these 2 initial cases that came out positive, 8 have